Welcome, students. Today we're going to be learning about how to find the fraction of a number. And I'm going to talk a little bit with you about what that means and how we can apply this in our work. So for today's work, you will need a math notebook and a pencil. We're going to jot a couple notes down, and I'll have you solve a couple problems on your own. First thing I'd like you to write down is this title here, Fractions of a Number. That's the name of the lesson today. Go ahead and write that down, and let's take a look at this problem I've set up here. So here I have 8 apples, and I'm already going to tell you that 3/4 of these apples are red. So I could say 3/4 of the apples are red, and 1/4 is green. Now the question today is, what is 3/4 of 8? How many are red? So that's what we're going to learn how to solve today. So the first thing I'd like to point out, and it might be helpful to even go ahead and draw this in your notebook, is that this word here, of, in math, of usually means multiplication. I would go ahead and write that down. In fact, the thing to do is probably to draw a little arrow and write multiplication. So we know that we're multiplying 3/4 times 8. So I'm actually going to rewrite the problem now. 3/4 times 8. Now the learning we did last week was about multiplying a fraction times a whole number. We learned that one of the easiest ways to think about this is to turn that whole number into a fraction. It's like saying 8 wholes. And now we have a real straightforward fraction multiplication problem. We'll just multiply straight across. 3 times 8 is 24, and 4 times 1 is 4. 24/4. And of course, that is an improper fraction, but it's an easy one to change. Remember, we just divide the numerator by the denominator. That's 24 divided by 4. And 24 divided by 4 equals 6. That's our answer. Let's double check and see if that is true. Is 6 3/4 of 8? Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So again, we said 3/4 of these apples are red. There's 8 of them altogether, so we multiplied 3/4 times 8. We turned 8 into 8 wholes, into a fraction, 8 wholes, 8 over 1. We multiplied straight across, and then we divided our numerator by our denominator at the end to get a whole number. Let's try that again one more time with a new number. This time we're going to try 3/6 of 12. Let's walk through these steps again. First, we're going to rewrite it as 3/6 times 12 wholes. Remember, of means multiply. Now we multiply straight across. 3 times 12. Let's see here, that's 12, 24, 36. 6 times 1, that's just 6. And now I need to divide my numerator by my denominator to get my answer. Let's see, I know 6 times 6 is 36. So 36 divided by 6 must equal 6. 3/6 of 12 equals 6. All right. Now I'd like you to try one of these on your own. This time, let's go ahead and try 1/3 of 9. Go ahead and pause if you need to. Unpause when you've finished solving, and we'll see how you did. All right. Resume if you've finished solving this problem, or if you just need to see another example. So remember, 1/3 of 9 is the same as 1/3 times 9 wholes. 1 times 9 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. Now I need to divide 9 by 3. How many groups of 3 can I make with 9? 3 groups. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 1/3 of 9 is 3. There's our answer there. Go ahead and give this some practice today. Make sure to let us know if you have any questions, and good luck with your work.